So yesterday I went to sleep all motivated and I wrote down so many things I wanted to get done today. And when I woke up today, it was raining. And when it rains, I always get this feeling of like relaxing, chilling out, feel like just eating popcorn, sitting at home, watching a movie, right? So when I use the term master the basics, I mean for everything. Like even like setting my camera up in a certain position though. So like when I wake up, it's right there so I can just push the record button. That's mastering the basics. It's basics of using a camera, right? And I think everything comes down to it like that. From water when it rains to like understanding your moods to how you react to certain elements. Like do you need to be in a cafe or something to create because maybe you're like a busy type of person. When you think about somebody like Tiger Woods or like Nadal, they probably hit balls so many times, like they're masters at doing that thing. Is masters at doing the simple, basic movement. Even like LeBron James when it comes to basketball. He shot the ball so many times. It's not like he invented some crazy moves, Like he shot the ball, he laid the ball up, he dunked the ball, he passed the ball. He got really good at passing the ball, dunking the ball, and shooting the ball, right? So I feel like one thing that I really struggle with in my life is just overthinking. I have all these thoughts all the time because I love consuming like information, right? But the one thing that not the one thing, but a couple things that I really like to do in life is I love to travel and I love to like consume and learn things, right? And Obsidian really helped me structure that thing. Like I just got back here in Cape Town from Bali, Indonesia, and I really honestly love my life. I love having the ability to like fly all over the place and have time freedom and do what I want to do when I want to do it. But sometimes I get fearful of like that going away because maybe I'm not so organized with my thoughts, right? But it's really been helping me focus on how I do things and where I put down my thoughts. So I don't have to think about like where this thing is, right? So I really think that we just need to spend less time thinking about the how and more time just focusing on like the basics of whatever we want to do. Like if you want to record videos, you just need to set up your camera in the same place every single day. So when you just wake up, you can just go turn on the camera and it's right there. And if you have trouble like organizing your thoughts, you need to get something like Obsidian. You don't have to get it. You can get any type of note-taking system, but I always preach Obsidian because it's been the easiest to just like get back to the thoughts that you were thinking. You just have to focus on what you want. You don't have to focus on how you're gonna get there. You really just have to focus on what you want. And the basics will come because everything has basics. Like if you want to become a fighter, you just have to master a punch or you have to master a kick. Just do a kick 1,000 billion times, do a punch 1,000 billion times, and you'll probably be a very good fighter. All right, so that's today's rant about mastering the basics. Really the basics is just small stuff, but it's all small stuff. When you break everything down, it won't be so big. It won't be this like grand gesture or big duty that you have to do. I know a lot of you may feel overwhelmed when you wake up in the morning. You got so many things to do to try to be an entrepreneur or even do your job, right? But how do you eat an elephant? You eat an elephant by one bite at a time. How do you build a castle? You lay one brick at a time. So yeah, hopefully today this talk helped and helped you focus on the basics in life, even when it comes to your productivity. And yeah, like and subscribe if you like this content. I'll be posting more consistently. Peace.